Hey there everyone, it's Mike Thomas here. You know me as Mike from Maine. In this bonus video, I'm going to be going through and showing you how to use a special feature that is in marketpresso to get 100% free traffic in less than 5 minutes. And it's super easy to do this, and it's right under your nose, and everyone that is using marketpresso should be using this, and like so few people are, and this is just an amazing way of getting free traffic from Google right to your website. So here's what you should do. You want to go into your MarketPresso account. What you want to search for right here is your blog area. Now this is something that's in there. It's going to let you get rankable traffic inside of your store. So it will rank in Google. It can bring you 100% free traffic, and that traffic that's looking for stuff related to your content will then go out there, find you, and buy from you. So what you want to do is go over to add new blog, and you can go and you can select the marketplace that you want to put it on. You can select your title, and I would recommend making your title is like very close to related to what your store is about. So if your store is all about video marketing, then you want to do video marketing for your title. If your store is all about ebook design, ebook design. But I would do something like if it's ebook design, I would do ebook something like ebook design expert, and like what people are searching for. You want to be thinking about keywords here for that. Then you want to put your name in here, and then your short description. This blog is about ebook design, and you can put a upload an image in there if you want. If you want to go in there and grab an image for ebooks to try to rank better in Google. And here's your blog content. Now, you're probably thinking, oh, I thought this was going to be easy. I thought I was going to be able to get blog content. Like, now I have to write blog. Well, what you can do for something like this, and this is just for ranking. I mean, I'll be completely straight up with you. The best thing you could do is to write your own blog post. That would be the best. And just something, just some blog content about what you're doing, what your services are. If you get good testimonials, if you have good experiences with people, maybe you share some of your work. That's what you can do with this. But if you don't have time for that, and if you're just starting out, you can go over to a place like an article directory like eZine Articles, and let's do see if I can find some ebook design. See if they have anything that's related to that. Um, ebook design. Here we go. They've got articles in here, and we don't just want to steal the article outright. But what you can do is you can rewrite an article, or you can use a service like a plagiarism checker to go out there, and you can actually go and you can take something like this. You can actually spin it. So if you search for article spinner, and we can grab an article spinner here. You can just put your text in here. I'm not a robot, and you can spin it, and it will bring out some content that's a little bit different. And we can take that content, you can put it in here, and we want to get rid of this little article source, and we probably want to get rid of, like, if there's any links in here, you want to get rid of that. This is an about me, about this person. We don't want that in there. We don't want like proper names like that in there. So let's check the duplicate content in Google for this, and it's going to go out there and it's going to search this and find if there's any matches for this. And it's going to come up with some matches right now. We're going to take a look at that, and we're going to make this article completely unique so that it is simply designed to rank in Google, and it's designed to bring you in traffic that's free, pretty much, for your services. And that's why you want to be collecting email addresses and turning these people into clients. It's amazing if you can just bring in a couple clients that are buying your service over and over again. Then that's where the money is. I mean, when I was doing AdSense niche sites, I had a guy that was doing headers for me, and I was paying like $5 a header, but I'd do packs of like 10 of them, and he would make a bunch of money from that. So look, that's 100% unique. And if it's not unique, sometimes we'll have some lines that aren't unique, and you can find them and copy them and remove them from here until it's 100% unique. So you can just take that article that you have there and go back to your blog, and we want to open that up here. My internet's being a little funny. Here we go. You want to paste that in there for your blog, and then you can just publish it, and you can save that. That's going to publish it right onto your website. Now you have your blog set up. You can publish more content in there and get really cheap traffic, pretty much free traffic using this feature. Use the blog feature. You won't regret it. It's an amazing feature that's included inside of here. I mean, this marketpresso is essentially, I mean, they're hosting everything for you. So they're hosting your blog for you. You don't have to worry about paying hosting fees or domains or anything. It's a pretty cool feature. Definitely use it.